Hello everyone, Karthikeya Manosaxena here. I am a student of Indore Institute of Law and I am in third year. I am working as an intern in LexQ. So we are going to discuss today chapter 2 of contract, voidable contract and void agreement. So let's begin with section 10 of Indian Contract Act 1872. What agreements are contract? All agreements are contract if it's done with free consent or the party who are competent to contract, or there should be a lawful consideration and there should be a lawful object. On section 11, who are competent to contract? Every person is competent to contract who is the age of majority, like he should be 18 plus, according to the law, to which the subject who is of sound mind, not disqualified by law for contracting, or it should be a proper or not be intoxicated. Section 12, what is a sound mind for a purpose of contracting? A person is said to be a sound mind for a purpose of making contract if at the time when he makes it he is capable of understanding and forming a rational judgment as to its effect upon his interest. A person is usually of sound mind but occasionally of sound mind. Maybe make a contract when he is of sound mind. A person usually of sound mind but occasionally of unsound mind may not make a contract when he is of sound mind. In section 13, we'll discuss about consent. Two or more person are said to be consent when they agree upon the same thing. Consent वो चीज़ होती है जब दो और मोर पर्सन एक ही चीज़ पे एग्री कर जाते हैं तो वो कंसेंट होती है. So section 14 talks about free consent. Free consent is said to be when it is not caused by coercion, undue influence, fraud, misrepresentation and mistake. Well, coercion covers section 15, undue influence covers section 16, fraud covers section 17 and misrepresentation covered section 18 and mistake covered section 20, 21 and 22. So we'll discuss all these. First, let's discuss about coercion. What is coercion? Coercion is committing or threatening to commit any act forbidden by Indian Penal Code. In short, coercion is something when someone threatening you to commit any act forbidden by Indian Penal Code. कोई भी एक्ट जो इंडियन penal कोड के अंदर मना किया गया है करने से, तो वो आपको थ्रेट करता है और आप उस थ्रेट के कारण कॉन्ट्रैक्ट में आ जाते हो तो वो कॉन्ट्रैक्ट वॉइड हो जाता है. नाउ लेट्स टॉक विद सेक्शन 16, अनड्यू इन्फ्लुएंस. Undue influence, a contract is said to be induced by undue influence where the relationships subsisting between the parties are such that one of the parties is in position to dominate the will of other party. It means अगर एक पार्टी किसी भी दूसरे पार्टी की विल को डोमिनेट कर सकती है, मतलब किसी तरह से अनड्यू इन्फ्लुएंस कर सकती है, तो उसको अनड्यू इन्फ्लुएंस बोलते हैं. नाउ सेक्शन 17, फ्रॉड. Fraud means including any of the following acts committed by a party to a contract or with the convince for his agent with intent to deceive other party thereto of his agent or to induce him to enter into the contract. The suggestion as a fact of that which is not true. कोई भी ऐसा fact बताना जो सही ना हो. The activity of a fact not having a knowledge to believe. कोई भी ऐसा fact बताना जिसकी knowledge बिल्कुल भी ना हो. Promise without intention to perform it. कोई भी promise करना जिसका इंटेंशन नहीं हो. प्रॉमिस करके मतलब कोई एक्टिविटी परफॉर्म ना करना. तो लेट्स टॉक अबाउट नाउ सेक्शन मिसरिप्रेजेंटेशन. Misrepresentation defines a positive assertion in a manner not warranted by the information of the person making it of that which is not true though he believes it true. किसी को फॉल्स इन्फॉर्मेशन देना, मतलब लेट्स टेक एग्जांपल, ए एंड बी आर टू पार्टीज़. अब ए ने बी को एक फॉल्स इन्फॉर्मेशन दे दी जो बी ने मान ली ट्रू है, तो देन दिस कॉन्ट्रैक्ट इज़ वॉइडेबल ऑन द पार्ट ऑफ बी. So this is called misrepresentation. Any breach of duty which without an intent to deceive, gain or advantage to the person committing it or any claiming under him by misleading another to prejudice or to the prejudice of any one claiming him. Now section 90, voidable of agreement without free consent. When a consent of an agreement is caused by coercion, fraud, misrepresentation, the agreement is contract is voidable at the option of the party whose consent was not caused. अगर कोई भी voidable contract होता है, voidability of the agreement होती है, तो वो तभी होगी जब उसमें पार्टी की फ्री कंसेंट ना हो एंड फ्री कंसेंट इंक्लूड कॉर्जन, फ्रॉड, misrepresentation, undue influence. A party to a contract whose consent was caused by fraud or misrepresentation may, if he thinks fit, then the contract shall be performed and shall be put into the position in which he could have been in the presentation made had been true. अगर पार्टी चाहे तो उस कॉन्ट्रैक्ट को पूरा वॉइड भी कर सकती है और कॉन्ट्रैक्ट को वो परफॉर्म भी कर सकती है. नाउ सेक्शन 19A, power to set aside contract induced by undue influence. When a consent to an agreement is caused by undue influence, the agreement is a contract voidable at the option of the party, those party who was caused. मतलब ये भी पार्टी के ऊपर होता है कि अगर वो चाहे तो कॉन्ट्रैक्ट को वॉइड कर सकती है, नल एंड वॉइड एकदम से कॉन्ट्रैक्ट ख़त्म कर सकती है, और पार्टी चाहे तो वो इस कॉन्ट्रैक्ट को आगे भी ले जा सकती है. एग्रीमेंट वॉइड वेयर बोथ पार्टीज आर अंडर मिस्टेक ऑफ फैक्ट. Where the both parties of an agreement under the mistake as the matter of fact essential of the agreement is void. जब कोई भी पार्टी मतलब दोनों पार्टी फैक्ट से मिसिंग्स थी तो ये कॉन्ट्रैक्ट पूरा वॉइड हो जाएगा. मतलब जो कॉन्ट्रैक्ट जिसने करवाया उसके फैक्ट्स दोनों पार्टीज़ को नहीं बताए तो वो वॉइड हो जाएगा. लेट्स टेक एग्जांपल. ए एग्रीज टू सेल बी अ स्पेसिफिक कार्गो ऑफ गुड्स सपोज टू बी इन अ वे फ्रॉम इंग्लैंड टू बॉम्बे. It's turned out that before the day of bargaining, the ship conveying the cargo has been cast away and the good lost. Neither party was aware of these facts. The agreement is void. Now, 21 effect of mistake is law. 22 says contract caused by mistake one party as a matter of fact. 23 what consideration are object and lawful and why not. Let's discuss this. 23 the consideration or object of an agreement is lawful unless it is forbidden by law in such a nature and it is permitted it would be defeat the provision of law or it's fraudulent. So this is for today's video. We will meet in next video with any other different and good topic. Thank you so much.